Agriculture Minister Manikrao Kokate, caught playing rummy in Maha Assembly, gets sports portfolio in a move that has sparked both satire and criticism. Maharashtra Minister Manikrao Kokate has been divested of the all-important Agriculture Ministry after a viral video showed him playing rummy on his mobile phone inside the State Assembly. The incident triggered widespread outrage, especially given the state's ongoing agrarian distress. Late on Thursday night, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis issued the order for a change in Kokate's portfolio, sending a clear message to all ministers that henceforth, if any minister commits a mistake, they will face severe consequences. This is a message for everyone. We are here to serve the people. The public watches what we say, what we do, and how we behave. There must be restraint and accountability in all of it, Fadnavis said. The agriculture portfolio has now been handed over to another NCP minister, Dattatreya Burani, while Kokate will take charge of the Sports and Youth Welfare Ministry, a post previously held by Burani. The controversy erupted when NCP SP MLA Rohit Pawar posted a video showing Kokate engaged in a mobile game during a legislative session. With farmer issues looming large over the monsoon session, the visuals struck a nerve. Opposition leaders quickly demanded Kokate's resignation, calling his actions disrespectful and irresponsible. Maharashtra Agriculture Minister Manikrao Kokate's video of him playing Jungli Rummy, an online card game, on his phone in the Legislative Assembly proves how the BJP-led state government is gambling with the lives of farmers. Farmers are committing suicide due to lack of pick. Twitter.com 9WZPWTVSSG Clyde Clyde_crosstalk July 20th, 2025. However, instead of stepping down, Kokate has merely been reassigned. The government's decision to shift his responsibilities rather than remove him has been seen as a symbolic gesture at best. This isn't accountability, it's an eyewash, said Ambadas Danv, leader of the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena. Taking a jibe at the government, he sarcastically urged that rummy be declared the state sport and that ministers be officially allowed to carry cards into the assembly. Kokate is no stranger to controversy. He had earlier faced criticism for making tone-deaf remarks about farmers. Now, his casual behavior in the assembly, even as many districts face drought-like conditions, has raised fresh questions about ministerial responsibility. Social activist Anjali Damania alleged that Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar was hesitant to seek Kokate's resignation, reportedly because he wanted a Shiv Sena minister to resign first to maintain political balance. This has fueled speculation of political deal-making behind the scenes. Swipe left for next video. Meanwhile, Swabhimani Shetkari Sangatana leader Raju Shetty asked pointedly, does Kokate hold any secrets that protect him from being sacked? He emphasized that only a resignation, not a portfolio swap, would do justice to Maharashtra's farmers. While Kokate remains in the cabinet, his diminished role speaks volumes. Whether this is a temporary face-saver or a step towards deeper accountability remains to be seen. Latest blogs.